Hello, I'm Job. Nice to meet you. Today, let's talk about the maintenance cost of social life. As we know, the dust is a big factor to impact the efficiency of solar panel. So we need to clean it to keep high utilization of solar light. But as we know, the solar light was installation on high place. We also need a specialized equipment and people to do it. For example, 4 times a year, that is acceptable. But the lifespan of solar light over 10 years, that will be big maintenance cost. So, self-cleaning solar light is a good way to resolve the problem. And the most is only spend over $15 than normal social light. This is a great deal. In the end, if you want to know more details info, please message me or call me. Bye.